Alright, so this is cylinder number 2 spark plug. It still got the dielectrical grease on it. The boot, it still got dielectrical grease in it. This tip, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I'm trying to remember. White is burning red, or lean. There's not that much carbon deposits on it. I don't have nothing to compare with, so I might have to pull out one to compare both of them, and maybe even switch them around and see if cylinder 1 started misfiring too. Cause this code just popped up yesterday morning for cylinder 2. Cylinder 7 was last week. I haven't pulled out cylinder 7 yet, but it's ready. Let's see, you got a lot of grit and stuff built up on it. You know, here in the desert, sand, dirt, whatever, on the outside of it. The boot itself don't look that bad. There's not a lot of dirt gunked up around the edges or the top part of it. So there's still some grease in there. I don't see no shorts in here. Ain't no way to really tell if it's the wires or not, but I'm gonna run all that down. So yeah, since I got it open right now, I'm finna pull one out to inspect to see if it looked the same as number 2. So I'm gonna do that and get back in a minute. This is cylinder number 7. They all look the same. About the same size. Got the same color on it. Charred at the top. Only on that one, They all look pretty much the same. I don't see nothing different in them. So it's even the wire. It's even something in the wire. Or this is number 2. That's one up there on the whatever that thing called. I separate so I can know I'm putting everything back. This is 2. That's 1. And spark plug number 7, valve 7 is over here. But they all look pretty much the same. They still got dielectric grease on it. And nothing too much out of the ordinary. So I'm thinking it's even the fuel injectors. Again, these spark plugs got 70,000 miles. I don't have no problem with it starting right up or nothing. So it probably the fuel injectors is bad. They need to be replaced. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and replace them. But I'm not replacing them today, even though I got both fuel rails unloose. Both fuel rails is unloose. I just don't feel like fighting with the ones back there today. I'm gonna do it. So I get new spark plugs. Fuel inject. Now I got my fuel injectors upstairs, but new fuel pump, fuel filter, and new spark plugs. As soon as I get all of them, I'm changing everything again. The O2 sensors too, and I'm cutting off the driver's side Cadillac converter. I'm cutting that off, and I might straight pipe it or put a universal cat on it, like the driver's side. When the passenger side got a Magnaflow universal Cadillac converter, and I'm running a muffler, Magnaflow muffler, and everything. So I might even straight pipe it, or just put a universal Magnaflow cat on this side. I ain't doing no resonators or nothing. So yeah, I'm just gonna slap these back in here because it's about 5 o'clock. I'm finna lose daylight soon. I do not feel like messing with no flashlights and trying to get this stuff back together. So I'm gonna slap these spark plugs back in. I'm clean this one off. I'm I'm gonna clean this one off, put it back in, put some more some dielectric grease, anti-seize seeds on it, and call it a damn day. Well, I put everything back together, and only tomorrow. Only gonna know tomorrow if it's good or not when I drive it to work.